Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Tennant E5 carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if you got a bad vac motor and you need to replace it, this is how you do it. First, you want to lift open the lid, and then we're going to remove the recovery tank and the solution tank, which we've already done. Next, we're going to remove these 3 screws. There's a screw in front, and there are 2 in the back on the bottom here that hold the cover, the motor covers, to the machine. Okay, now you lift up, tilt it back a little bit. Just like that, and we can unhook everything now. Okay, next, what we're gonna do, locate the harness for your back motor and unplug it. Just like that. Now take this hose and unhook it from the bottom here. And that's your suction hose. Get it up out of the way, and then you can take the cover completely off. Just like that. Okay, now that we have the cover right here, there are 2 10mm nuts on each side of the vac motor. You want to remove those so we can pull the whole vac motor out. Now we can remove the vac motor. Just like that. Okay, with the back motor off like this, we're gonna go ahead and remove the bracket. Now what you want to do is go ahead and unplug your harness, because we're going to reuse the harness. And then we're going to take off your exhaust hose as well. Be sure to have your butt connectors for your new vac motor and a new zip tie to reattach the exhaust hose to the new vac motor. Okay, get your new vac motor. We're gonna go ahead and crimp these butt connectors on the wire ends. Just like that. Okay, now we can go ahead and reconnect the harness. Now you've got, on your new vac motor, you got black and black, which is just power in. On your harness, you've got white and black, which is just your power in. So it really doesn't matter which one goes to which. And then you have your ground wire, which is green, so green to green. Just like that. And now we can reattach the bracket. Now take your exhaust hose. If your exhaust hose is okay and in good condition, go ahead and reuse that one. If not, just get yourself a new one. Put it back on and zip tie it back on there, good and tight. Cut the excess zip tie, just like that. Okay, so inside the cover here, you should have a gasket, a vac motor gasket on there. If it's in good shape, don't worry about replacing it. Just go ahead and replace the vac motor. If you need to, you can go ahead and get a new gasket. Sticky on one side. I'll go ahead and just attach it right here where the screen is. Just like that. Okay, now all we need to do is reinstall the vac motor into the cover and tighten it down. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we are going to plug the vac motor back in and reconnect the hose. Just like that, and now all we have to do is slide the top cover back on. Now all you have to do is put the 2 screws in the back in and tighten those down and the one in the front. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.